Hi there. We just wanted to thank everyone for coming out to celebrate our 30th anniversary here at the Marconi Automotive Museum and Foundation for Kids. It was a tremendous turnout, and we are so happy that everyone came out to support us.
You said it best. This is beyond what we thought would happen. It's pretty impressive. We want to take the time to be able to give back to the people who have given to us and given to kids in the community. We've got our local Tustin PDs here, everybody's here, and just groups that help us do what we do. We could not do it without everybody in this room and in the lot. So.
Yeah, the car community really showed up for us. The non-car people as well, and just helping us out and helping us make a difference.
We could not do it without you. You take a look at the Marconi Foundation for Kids and where it started and where it's come to. For the last 30 years, these people have given us support to generate money for kids at risk in Orange County, and there's no way to put a thank you big enough on that and everything that the community has done for us and doing for kids. Thank you again for all you do.
Thank you.